Namaskar, I am Dr. Reena. I head the School of Biotechnology and Bioengineering at Institute of Advanced Research University, Gandhinagar. The department has a very strong legacy. It started as a research institute way back in 2006. Then since 2014, we have started our education program and we offer various programs in BSc, MSc and BTech and MTech. The department has 35 faculties and 7 support staff, and we are having various programs in science and technology. We offer bachelor's program in various disciplines of science, including biotechnology, biomedical science, forensic science, and microbiology. In masters, we have masters in biotechnology, masters in microbiology, and we have a master's program in biotechnology, which is supported by Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, where we enroll students through the GAT-B examinations. In the technology domain, we have BTech programs in biotechnology and chemical engineering, and we also offer the MTech program in biotechnology. Further, in the Masters in Sciences, we have MSc programs in chemistry, where we offer specialization like organic chemistry, analytical chemistry, and quality control. This year, we are starting 2 new programs, which are MSc in Forensic Science and MSc in Clinical Embryology. For MSc in Clinical Embryology, we are partnering with Vani IVF Center so as to provide our students a better learning environment. The department infrastructure has received generous support from the Puri Foundation for Education in India, Department of Biotechnology Program Support Grant, Department of Science and Technology FIS Grant, and the Department of Biotechnology MSc Grant. Other than that, many of the funding agencies like Department of Biotechnology, Department of Science and Technology, GSBTM, GUJCOST and ICMR provide regular support to the department to enable faculty and students to carry on research in high-thrust areas. I request everybody to visit IAR University to get a better glimpse of the Department of Biotechnology and Bioengineering. Dhanyavad.